Hello, everyone, and welcome to the 2021 STEM Signing Day National Kickoff event. I'm Shay Tai, the Vice President of Engagement at Tallo. So this is the 5th year of STEM Signing Days presented by Boeing, powered by Tallo, and this is the first time that we're able to bring together everyone for one big national kickoff event. We're going to begin the official program in a few minutes. But I'd like to take a moment to note that your video and microphones will be turned off for this portion of the event. So if you wave and you say something and you don't get a wave back, it's only because we can't see or hear you. So please don't take offense. We love it that you're here. Okay, so we still have another minute or so before everyone joins us. So the thing I'd like you to do next is to get to know you all better. If you look at the bottom of your screen, you'll find the chat box. Let us know where you're tuning in from and if anyone is watching with you. Hey, Enos from Florida, how you doing? Sari from Phoenix, welcome. Hey, Roberto from Los Angeles, thanks for coming. We have Johnson from Sofina. Joe in Delaware, thanks for coming, Joe. Isaiah from Middleton, Delaware. Alexa from South Carolina, welcome. And it looks like Jen's in Washington. She's with her grandparents also. Y'all are from so many places. It looks like it is from all across the country. This is awesome. It looks like Collis from Texas. We have Rohan. So many folks. We're so happy to have you all. Okay, so thanks for sharing about where you are and who you're with. And looks like everyone's joined us. So let's get started. Welcome, everyone, to the 2021 STEM Signing Day National Kickoff event, presented by Boeing and powered by Tallo. Again, it's an honor and a privilege to host some of the best and brightest high school seniors from around the country. Just so you know, this event is live streaming right now, and a recording will be available once the ceremony ends. Okay, let's talk a bit about the sponsors for today's ceremony. As a leading global aerospace company, Boeing develops, manufactures, and services commercial planes, defense products, and space systems for customers in more than 150 countries. As a top US exporter, the company leverages the talents of a global supplier base to advance economic opportunity, sustainability, and community impact. Boeing's diverse team is committed to innovating for the future and living the company's core values of safety, quality, and integrity. Learn more at www.boeing.com. Tallo is an online platform that connects nearly 1.5 million students and job seekers with cool opportunities just like this one. Students, like you all, create free Tallo profiles to showcase their skills, accomplishments, and goals. Companies, colleges, and organizations use Tallo to find the talent they need for jobs, internships, college programs, scholarships, and so much more. This year, more than 600 high school seniors are being honored across the country for their commitments to STEM. This will be the most competitive STEM signing day year to date, and we received more applications than ever before. You are each chosen because of your accomplishments and commitment to the STEM field, and you should be very proud of yourselves. As you're viewing this ceremony from your home, we invite you to engage with us on social media. Upload a video or photo of your signing day experience and tag @Tallo, that's APPTALLO, and Boeing using the hashtag BoeingInspires and also hashtag STEM Signing Day in your post. You all know how to do that. You're also watching this alongside Boeing executives and community leaders from around the country, and the teachers, the family members, and of course, mentors who have helped you get to this point today. Are you tuning in today's event with any of them? We're curious about how you're participating today. If you're by yourself or watching with any guests. So we just launched a quick poll, and you should have seen it popped up now. Please take a second to answer it, and then we'll keep things moving. Okay, I'm going to introduce the first of today's speakers, but first, a few housekeeping rules. This is being recorded and live streamed on YouTube. Students, your cameras and microphones, again, will be turned off during the National Kickoff event. If you're experiencing any technical difficulties at all, please reach out to Janelle Williamson. We'll add her email into the chat right now. All right, without further ado, I'd like to introduce the first of today's speakers, David Calhoun. Dave is president and CEO of the Boeing Company. He oversees the strategic direction of Boeing, the world's largest aerospace company and leading provider of commercial airplanes, defense, space and security systems, and global services. Dave became the Boeing president and CEO in January of 2020, and he has served as a member of Boeing's board of directors since 2009. And he served as chairman of the board from October to December of 2019. A native of Pennsylvania, Dave holds a bachelor's degree in accounting from Virginia Tech. Go Hokies. Dave sent along a very special message for all of today's honorees, and we're excited to share that with you right now.
This is a moment to celebrate all of your achievements to date, all that got you to this point in life, and the choice that you've made. STEM, it's a brilliant choice. It's changing the world. It's changing it every day. And it offers innovation for all of humanity. We connect, we protect, and we explore the world and beyond. It's a challenge that's unlimited. It's a challenge that gets a lot of notoriety and excitement, built everywhere in the world and societies all around the world. And ultimately, it is STEM graduates that deliver on the promises that the world and the universe offer to humanity. I don't think it gets any bigger or any more exciting. And the breakthroughs ultimately that we achieve in going after that possibility accrue to all kinds of industries and all kinds of problem solving in related fields. So it's limitless, and it's fun, and it's exciting. As I said, we rely on STEM graduates to make it happen. We try to inspire them the day they show up. We try to exercise their curiosity every way we can think of, and we challenge the depth of the discipline they chose. We have them explore the laws of physics to an extent they could never imagine. And in the end, we achieve these incredible outcomes. So again, congratulations. And get ready for one of the most exciting rides of your life. I don't think it could be any better, and I don't think any mission outside the one I described in my aerospace and aviation world at Boeing could be any more fun. And I hope I get to see you when you graduate and entice you to join on that mission. Big thanks to all of you and congratulations.
Dave, thank you so much for helping us celebrate the brilliant honorees for the 2021 STEM signing day. You said it best. STEM is limitless, fun, and exciting. Boeing and Tallow know that you all are the future of STEM innovation, and we cannot wait to see what you do next. Now, I'd like to introduce you to a message from our second speaker today, Sydney Hamilton. Sydney is an aerospace structure stress manager at Boeing in Long Beach, California. She provides leadership for our team of structural analysis engineers who support the multiple programs in satellites, commercial aircraft, airplane repairs, and aircraft modifications. Sydney is a Black Engineer of the Year 2021 Legacy Award winner and has been featured on CBS's Mission Unstoppable, in Marie Claire magazine, on NPR's Wow in the World, and across Boeing for her innovative contributions to the aerospace industry. She is a passionate advocate for recognizing the power of diversity and founded a Boeing employee resource group dedicated to improving workplace culture across the company's rich, multi-generational talent pool. Sydney received dual degrees in mathematics and aerospace engineering from Spelman College and the University of Michigan, respectively. I'm excited to now turn the floor over to Sydney.
Hi, my name is Sydney Hamilton, and I'm a Structure Stress Engineering Manager at the Boeing Company. And today, I would like to say congratulations. I'm so excited to celebrate STEM Signing Day with each of you. I have been passionate about STEM since I was a little girl. I used to stand outside feet right next to each other, blanket tied around my neck, and arms straight out. And once in the ready position, I would try to take off. My parents would encourage me to try to fly in other ways, whether that was with a jetpack or an airplane or other creative ways. And I would tell them, no, I want to fly. Not once did my parents tell me that I couldn't fly. So, it's to no surprise that I work for the Boeing company today. I'm flying, just a little bit differently than I originally imagined. I remember when I first started at Boeing and I came in as a design engineer. That was my first time being exposed to all the opportunities in STEM. You can do such incredible work going into STEM fields. I've been able to design for airplane parts, 3D print for satellites. I repaired aircrafts and built satellite reflectors that are keeping us all connected. The satellite reflector is the part of the satellite that sends the signal back to Earth. So that's our Wi-Fi, our GPS, and so many other things. So to know that through my work, I've been able to make the world a smaller place, whether that's flying to go see family members or video chatting with a friend, I know that my work has been able to keep people connected. And that's so cool and so rewarding. So I'm so excited for each of you to start your STEM journey. I am also able to give back to the community. I do a lot of outreach in STEM, encouraging people and teaching people about all the different opportunities. I've been able to teach the concepts of flight on a kids' TV show, all the way to having a life-size 3D printed statue made in honor of that work. It's been so cool. So I can't wait for you all to have even bigger and better experiences in your STEM journey. And remember, it's a journey. So explore, ask those questions, and most importantly, be curious. Try new things because we're all out here to help you find your passion and to help you pursue it. So you don't have to have it all figured out today. It's now time to enter the fun part, which is the exploration of your STEM passion. We have made a choice, and it is our choice, and we are choosing to change the world for the better through STEM. I'm excited to see all you as STEM leaders of today and tomorrow. Wishing you the best, and I'll see you out there. You got this.
Sydney, thank you so much for those encouraging words and for sharing your journey at Boeing. Your work is impacting us every day, and I think I can speak for all of us when I say thank you for helping us stay connected, especially during this past year. All right, now we're going to hear from someone who was in your exact shoes 1 year ago. Meet Mia Castillo, a 2020 STEM Signing Day alumna and current first-year student at Cal State University, Long Beach. After last year's STEM Signing Day, Mia had the opportunity to connect with a Boeing employee who has mentored her throughout her first year of college. Here's a video from Mia to tell you more about that experience.
I'm a first year and my major is civil engineering. I go to Cal State Long Beach and I participated in the 2020 STEM Signing Day. STEM Signing Day has really impacted me because it allowed me to connect with a mentor at Boeing, and my mentor helped me with my communication skills. He's helped me with my leadership skills and with my resume. He's also helped me with my classes. I think it actually helped a lot. Because before, honestly, before my freshman year, I didn't really know much about engineering. That was just like a thing that I just always wanted to do, because I'm like, okay, it's science and math and working with others, but I didn't really know what the industry looked like, or I didn't really know anybody close that was involved in that kind of industry. So I think it's been really helpful seeing how the industry works, as well as it's kind of helped me develop where I would want to go in the industry, as well as helping my technical skills and my soft skills, I guess you could say. Stay connected to your mentor because they really help you in the future. Since they're professionals, they can really have a inside knowledge of the industry that you want to go into. And I personally would want to intern at Boeing because they're a really good company. Thank you, Boeing, for this opportunity.
I love hearing about students' positive experiences with mentorships and the power of making connections. Speaking of connections, our final speaker for today's National Kickoff event is Sherry Carter, the Vice President of Boeing Global Engagement, who has some exciting news to share with you. Sherry has been the Vice President of Boeing Global Engagement since 2019. She is responsible for the development and execution of Boeing's charitable giving and employee volunteerism activities. She builds positive relationships with organizations and communities in which Boeing has a presence. Over the last 10 years, she has served as a strategic advisor to several global arts organizations focused on cultural diplomacy. She also managed and directed a significant capital campaign to complete the United States Institute of Peace headquarters and campus in Washington, D.C. Sherry is a Georgia native and received her degree in journalism and mass communication from the University of Georgia. Go Dogs. I'm a fellow graduate. Let's tune in now to listen to a few remarks from Sherry.
Good morning, and thank you all for joining our 2021 Virtual STEM Day today. To our group of STEM Signing Day scholars, congratulations. Boeing created STEM Signing Day to honor students like all of you for your accomplishments and commitment to further your education in science, technology, engineering, and math. To give you an idea how big this celebration has gotten, we're honoring more than 600 students across the country. This is our biggest group of STEM Signing Day scholars yet. You are among nearly 2,000 STEM Signing alumni we've now recognized at STEM Signing Day events since introducing this event in 2017. In fact, many students in our first class of scholars are preparing to graduate college and enter the workforce this year. The STEM disciplines you will study and the jobs you will get will help the world create and innovate, two of the core principles we use every day in making world-class products at Boeing. We need bright minds like yours to remain competitive as a company, an industry, and as a nation. And at Boeing, we want to ensure that all of you have the chance to develop your skills, fulfill your dreams, and help build the future. In order to help you build that future, I am excited to announce that this year, Boeing will launch a mentorship program for all 2021 STEM Signing Day honorees. All of you have the opportunity to be matched with Boeing teammates who work in a field you are interested in studying. You will be able to network, ask questions about education pathways, learn more about what it's like to work in a STEM career at a company like Boeing, and hopefully sharpen your focus to achieve your future goals. Our partners at Tallo will help us facilitate this mentor program. You'll get more information on that during the upcoming breakout sessions. You can let us know if you're interested in participating, and we'll answer some questions to help us match you with mentors and interest-based small groups. To all of our students, once again, congratulations. You have worked so hard to get to this point, and we so look forward to seeing where your next journey leads you. Maybe one day that journey will lead you right back here to Boeing. Thank you.
How exciting. Thank you to Sherry for delivering that exciting news about the first ever national Boeing mentorship program. I don't need to tell you just how valuable this opportunity to develop and maintain meaningful connections with top-tier Boeing professionals is. This is really an incredible opportunity, so thank you to the Boeing team for making this mentorship program and today's entire STEM Signing Day experience, for that matter, possible. And most importantly, thank you to you, today's honorees. And thank you to the teachers, the mentors, and family members and coaches who have supported today's honorees along the way. Well, today's 2021 STEM Signing Day isn't over yet. Soon, you'll be entering your local breakout sessions. First, I want to mention some next steps to be on the lookout for. Keep an eye out for an email from Tallow with instructions on how to sign up for the Boeing Mentorship Program. That email from Tallow will also include information about how to add your exclusive STEM Signing Day digital badge to your Tallow profile. This will live on your Tallow profile and recognize you as an official STEM Signing Day participant, which will allow Boeing to stay connected with you as you go on to your next steps. Now, we get to move into the second part of today's event. In a few moments, you'll enter your local STEM Signing Day breakout session. This is where you'll connect with other honorees from your region, hear from local Boeing professionals and community leaders, and sign your STEM commitment certificates. So listen carefully as I explain to do what next. Click the chat box at the bottom of your screen right now. Soon, we'll add in all of the links for each of the breakout sessions. Find the breakout meeting link for your specific Boeing site location. We have 12 different breakout sessions, so you'll be in one of the following: Alabama, Arizona, California, Delaware and Pennsylvania, that's one session, Florida, Missouri, Oklahoma, Potomac, that's Virginia, Maryland, and Washington, D.C., South Carolina, Texas, Utah, and finally, Washington State. In a minute, click your local breakout session's Zoom meeting link to be redirected to your breakout session. You will see a box that pops up on your screen that says, Join New Meeting. You will need to click the option that says, Leave and Join. Again, click the option that says, Leave and Join to leave this main webinar and enter the breakout session. If you experience any technical difficulties whatsoever, please email Janelle at janelle.williamson@zoom.us with STEM Signing Day in the subject line. Again, we'll add our email into the chat. We're adding in all of the links for each breakout session right now. All right, and with those instructions, we're officially moving on to the breakout sessions portions of the event. Please find your local breakout session link in the chat and join that now. Enjoy the next part of the 2021 STEM Signing Day event. This is Shay Tai, and that's all from me.